In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take 4K quality screenshot on laptop, desktop, or MacBook as well. So first, you can see I use PC right now. Now into going on this Google search bar, then here I type light short extension. So you can see this is the first website. Light short are very popular. You can see 7K rating have these tools and 4.4 rating. It's totally free of cost. You don't need spend any single money. This is a good thing. Now you need to click on add to Chrome, then again add extension. That's it. So you need to wait few seconds only for this processing. You can see it's downloading a file, so you need to open. Wow, it's automatically open on my PC. So now you need to click on light shot, then you need to select which area you want to take screenshot. uh, just this one, so I cut this one. Then example purpose, I want to take a screenshot like this one. So you need to type print system requisition a keyboard button. Otherwise you need to click on this light shot extension option. So light shot, just click here, then you need to select area which one. So I select full page of. Now I need to click on this save, again click on save. That's it. Otherwise you need to click on print on your keyboard, then select full page, then again click on save. Then again if you want to change this name, there's a, so I write here above, then click on save. That's it. See, if I open this file on my PC, so light shot, again going in the down, I take this screenshot. So this is very drag and drop tools you can take a screenshot. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.